I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I take a bath. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink water. I drink water. I reading a book. I read a book. I write a notebook. I write a notebook. I am thinking. I am thinking. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am singing. I am singing. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I dust the table. I dust the table. I cross my arms. I cross my arms. I drop the bag. I drop the bag. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I stretch in the morning. I stretch in the morning. I pick up my bag. I pick up my bag. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I rub my neck. I rub my neck. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I walk the dog. I walk the dog. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor.
Hi friends, help me subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button right here. Great, now we're subscribed. Thanks for helping. Let's learn English together and have fun.